my entire experience at the University of Michigan turned out to be the best decision I could have made in my entire life.
To aspire to something more than you are now came from being here.
I had professors who forced me to dig deeper because they believed I had more to give.
One thing that I got here was amazing mentoring. And so I think that informs the way that I approach the work that I do with students.
The environments I had been in prior to Michigan, I didn't see many folks who looked like me, and I wondered, wow, could I do this? Do I have what it takes? After years of being at Michigan, there was no doubt in my mind. I saw people who had come from some of the backgrounds that I had come from, who were excelling and succeeding, taking on leadership positions, leadership roles, and it just made me believe in myself and gave me what I needed to launch my career.
I remember at one point going to talk to one of the faculty members in my program, my doctoral degree program, and just being so grateful for the time and interest and commitment she had to me.
I had a remarkably wonderful interdisciplinary training at University of Michigan.
My dissertation committee had 2 sociologists, 1 economist, and 2 folks from the public policy school, and everyone just worked together really smoothly, and it wasn't weird at all. And I think that other universities often have more barriers from crossing those kinds of boundaries.
I got job offers from departments of public policy or schools of public policy, sociology, education, and African American studies.
The university prepared me in a number of ways to not only compete professionally, but also to meet people. I mean, I was able to meet heads of government, heads of departments, mayors. We take it for granted sometimes, but the university had a tremendous impact.
I was doing calls to actual American households, learning about the process of recruiting folks to respond to surveys and the ways that respondents interpret questions and answer them. And that kind of hands-on experience, I think, is pretty unusual for different social sciences.
The relationships between faculty and students were, I think, close and friendly but rigorous. I really had the opportunity not just to learn a lot about my field, but to model what great scholarship and teaching and mentoring was.
I found my niche, found my voice, found a passion.
It's allowed me to serve as an academic, to be a scholar activist, and to become engaged with academia and policy in a way that I'm sure would not have happened had I not gone here.
You had this experience, you had this opportunity here. Now take it and go forth and do something with it that is good for other people.